Welcome, ukuleleans. We're going to be working on Don't Stop Believin' today. There aren't any new chords, which is going to make it a little bit easier, which will be nice. But what we do have is E minor, which we don't use a lot. So quick refresher. You're going to start on the second fret, bottom string, your A string. Then you're going to walk up 3 stairs, and that's it. That's your E minor chord. Right? Second fret, and then walk up 3 stairs. Quite a few E minors in this song, so be on the lookout. Practice that E minor chord. And we're usually going, there's a little trick to it too, let me show you. We're usually going from, actually all the time, we're going from G to E minor. So you've got your G right here. And so G. To get the E minor, you can switch your whole hand to second fret, bottom string, and then walk up. Or you could just add your pinky right here. You can just lift this up. Doesn't matter. It won't make a difference anymore. And that's still E minor. So that saves you from moving these 2 fingers. Okay? Boom. G, E minor. G, E minor. It doesn't really matter if you move this finger or not because it's behind your pinky, so it's not going to matter. Will make a difference in the sound of the chord. All right. So the verse goes like this. We're going to do 4 beats on every chord in the verse. So it's very consistent. That makes it easy. And we're going to do a different strum. So we're going to karate chop your strum hand. You're going to put your pointer finger down like this. And you're going to kind of curl it just a little bit. And you're going to be using your fingernail on the center strings. And it's not an exact thing. So if you hit some of the other strings, not a big deal. But it sounds better if you get the lower strings. And we're going to be playing 8th notes. So that means 8 strums. You can call this a strum. 8 strums for each chord. So it's going to be C, G, A minor, F. So they move pretty quickly through. C, G, A minor, F, C, G, E minor, F. So it's really just a difference between the A minor and the E minor. It's C, G, A minor, F, and that will be super easy for you. And then C, G, E minor, F. And that's the entire verse and the entire outro. But we'll use a different strum pattern on the outro. So let's practice that together. 1, 2, 1, start on C, go. C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, F, C, G, E minor, F. Good. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. C, G, A minor, F, C, G, E minor, F. Good. Let's do it again. C, G, A minor, F, C, G, E minor, F. Now if you need to, you can stop the video and practice that progression as much as you want. until you feel comfortable, and then start it again. And don't worry, I'll still be here. I'll wait for you. And then we'll play the entire verse together with the words. See, I told you I'd still be here when you got back. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Get your seat going. Now we're going to keep this a little bit quiet. Not a lot quiet, but a little bit. Okay? Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. A singer in a smoky room, smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. The chorus, we're going to open up the strums. So basically what we're doing with this little thing, this little strum, is we're building tension, right? We got these eighth notes going, there's a lot of movement, and then we're not getting all the notes of the chord because we're only aiming for those center 2 strings. When we get to the chorus, we open it up and we get the full chord. We get all the notes in the chords. And so we're creating tension in the music, which kind of resolves itself both rhythmically and harmonically when we get to the chorus and we get to hear that full chord. So the chorus is 8 beats on each chord, and we're going to just like that. And super easy chords. F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 2, 3. Just like that. And then 8 on the G at the end. Now if you want, you'll notice sometimes I'm still using the same karate chop with my pointer finger down. This time I'm going across the entire fretboard, so I'm getting all the strings. And sometimes I hit the strings on the way up too. You can play around with that a little bit. We haven't done a lot with that, but wherever it feels good to you, come up with some neat patterns. All right, let's try the chorus. 2, ready, and get that F going. That rhythm on the G, I forgot to tell you that. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and. Do it together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. Ready again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and. And all we have left is the outro, which is the same chord progression as the beginning. So now we can just play through the whole thing. And when we get to the outro, we're going to do a regular full strum. But it's still 4 and E, so it's don't stop believing. A minor, F, C, G, minor, E minor, F. Okay, so same progression as the verses, just different words, different melody. So let's start from the top and get all the way through the song. Ready? 2, C going. 4, 3, 2, and sing. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. A singer in a smoky room, smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill, paying anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street light, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street light, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling, street light, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling, street light, people. Don't stop. Great. So you've got lots of time to practice this. So make sure you're practicing a little bit every day. All right, that's the way your brain works, the way your brain processes. Practice a little bit every day. You're going to have this down and be rocking in no time. Until I see you guys again, I wish you peace. Take care of yourselves. Take care of others. Take care of your learning. Namaste.